Y cyntaf, Gweld y Môr, I'm going to read the first poem, which is all about seeing the sea. Every time we get close to the ocean or to the sea, we see it as if for the first time. I'm going to read in Welsh, then I'll read in English. Y cyntaf I Weld y Môr. Gweld y Môr gyntaf, dyna'r agosad Jown, a ddarganfod yn llygad agored yr arlais, cyn i ni ddidol yr eiliau sy'n o nef a deiar, gwagle a gwelgi. Awn yn llawen tu a'i chwerthin, cyrraedd at ymyl ffrwns i'w chwedle, tafodau glas yn treithi gwirebau. A menyd, syllwn, heb allu deall, ble mae'r dyfnder, y dwyfol nad yw'n datgan ei hun, wrth swatio'n y dirgel. A gweld o'r newydd nad yw moroedd yn llai mirain, i longau ddryllio ar greigiau. Cael synob bydd y cyffro, sy'n iasu yn ein gennin frau o'r newydd. Gweld y môr gyntaf, yw'r cyntaf Jown, a ddarganfod gwir ryfeddod. Seeing the sea. To be first to see the sea is the closest we may come to open-eyed discovery. There she lies, a temple helping us draw the line between heaven and earth, nothing and oceans. We travel gladly towards her laughter, reaching the skirt hem of her stories where her tongues tell truths. For a time, we stare, not understanding her depths, this divinity who will not reveal herself, hugging her secret, and see anew that a sea is no less beautiful because ships founder on rocks, because look, in her split-second waves, we grow younger with each frisson. Seeing the sea for the first time is the closest we may come to the wonder of eyes opened. The second poem is one of a series of poems about Catrin Glyndwr, the last princess of Wales who was incarcerated in the Tower of London and along with her children. And I wrote a series of poems about her time there under lockdown, a very different kind of lockdown from what we've experienced. And they died, we're going back now to the 15th century, they died mysteriously after 2.5 years. So this is just one day of her trying to do something in a cell with her children, very young children. Colli Amser. Cyfrir amser yr wyf yma, gyda chydynedd ymhlant. Gweithio dolen o bleth yn foreol yn anwythnosol. Nodi marc ar y mur, gyda'r gwaed a wasgaf o gnoi y wynedd i'r byw. Dathlu taldra hefyd, mor llwyd I mebyd, byd dyddiau trigarog, ac adrodd am nad am gario llester o'r ffynon, am edrych yn wybren drwy'r coed, am gasglu cennin y brain, am gyfri lliwiau'r dail, yn efydd ac ambar ysgarlad gloiw. A'r llathr o atgof yw. Lost time. I'm counting time with strands of my children's hair, twisting one link from a braid each morning. Every week, I mark the wall with blood squeezed from my nail, bitten to the quick. It's how we used to mark their height. However grey their childhood, they were kindly days, and I recite again and again how we'd carry a pitcher to the well, how we watched the sky through the trees, how we gathered bluebells, how we counted the colour of leaves, copper, amber, radiant scarlet, the golden glow of memory.